Hey Match Factory fans, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited coins in Match Factory using just your phone. No PC, no extra software, nothing complicated. Honestly, it sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through everything I did step by step and show you the results straight from my factory. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I grabbed my phone and opened up the browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser works fine. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's linked to Match Factory Unlimited Coins. The page loaded smoothly, no weird pop-ups, no redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, I was a bit surprised. It looked clean, simple, and pretty normal, which made it feel more legit than I expected. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, the site asked how many coins I wanted to add. For this test, I went all in and selected the highest amount just to really see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared showing each step being completed. Everything was clear, well organized, and easy to follow. No confusion at all. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do, with simple instructions, so it was easy to get through. I'd already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check out the results. To see if it actually worked, I reopened Match Factory and checked my coins balance. And just like that, the extra coins were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around, nothing like that. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me by surprise. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.